2 years ago, I wanted to make money as a student because I had to constantly beg my parents for the money that I needed. I wanted to pay my own expenses because it felt embarrassing, bro. And people like us, we cannot just stay still and just sit there, do nothing and just, constantly beg our parents for the money that we need. We need to find a way to actually make money, right? And that's why I started this thing where I started to earn money as a student. I'm currently at the age of 99. I have my own bike that I got from my own money. I didn't ask my parents for a single penny. And now I'm just buying things for my own, right? I have my own laptop, I have my own tripod, my lightings and all. And I'm on my way to buy a camera. So how did I achieve that? How did I make it so that I have my own money? And how did I start earning from a channel that is not even monetized? And I'm going to tell you first of all what I did. And then second of all, I'll tell you some ways in which you can make money. So my name is Zach and I help young men to actually get a deep voice. But this is a different video because I want you to make money as well. So the first step I did was actually started this YouTube channel 2 years ago. I had no
no umbrella for the pain, every drop in the rain got me running through the flame. Everybody saying kick gonna break under pressure and strain. Now I step in the game and I'm setting every stage in the flames.
I had no intention in my mind to actually, monetize this channel or make this channel so that I can make money. I just had this one thing in my mind that I'm going to do this as a side hustle and I'm just going to be consistent because that's what it takes to actually earn money from anything. You just have to be consistent. And at that time, if I force myself that I want to make money from this channel, then I'll have a hard time doing that. And that's why I started this channel as a side hustle. And over time, it made me more consistent because over time, I just felt like I'm doing this as a side hobby and I do not need anything apart from my own script and my phone to just record some videos. And it felt good at that time. So I want you to create your own channel. I want you to just start earning money through your channel. And then I'm going to tell you exactly how you can earn money without even monetizing that channel. Because my YouTube channel is not even monetized right now and I'm earning money from it. The way I'm earning money from this channel is by my own product. I have my deep voice product that helps young men to actually get a deep voice. I poured my entire knowledge and the exercise that I did for the deep voice into that product. And people just buy it because it just feels good. It just feels right. Because it is the right thing to do. I've charged clients over 5k for that product. Although that product is for everyone, every client has a different need and according to that need, you can just adjust the price. Basically what you gotta do is just have a thing that you are good at. Have one thing that you can just sell. If you are good at basketball, you can sell that. If you're good at football, you can sell that. You can sell anything. If you're taller than the rest of your family, then it's not just genetic, it's the habits that you did, it's the exercises that you did. And you can just sell it. Selling things, selling educational things is not bad. It's not a scam. You're just purely helping people. In schools and colleges, that's what they do. They sell education and people have fucking no idea where they're going to be in the future, but they still buy it because they have this net of safety that they provide, right? And that's what you gotta do. You gotta give people results. You gotta make people believe you that you are going to give them results. And that's how you actually start to make money. Provide value and you will get paid. That's how it works and it is simple as that. And if you start to have that mindset that you are just here to help, not make money, then you will actually make more money. And that is quite contradicting, but I know it works because I have tried that too. I have tried to make thumbnails for the people whom I know that couldn't pay me. But in the future, they got successful, they paid me and they started to just pay me. And after that, I just started to do my own thing because I was also interested in becoming a YouTuber, right? And that's how you do things. You can get successful in any business if you are just focused and consistent in that. Bro, the business model doesn't matter. It's the will of you making money. It could be anything. It could be drop shipping and you could just make money. I know for a fact that even if I just got interested in drop shipping, something that I'm really not interested in, and I've just got consistent in that, I'll make money from it because it does not matter what the business model is. It's just you who should be obsessed with making money, and that's how you make money. You should just be obsessed with it. You should be thinking about making money all the damn time, and that's how you make money. So yeah, this was a short video, and until then, bye bye.